Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again in the course of Natural Resources and Environmental Economics. The current topic of the discussion today is about externalities. Externalities is very important in relation to the discussion of environmental goods and services. Let's see the explanation. Adam Smith stated that there is an invisible hand in regulating the market. Anyone know what the market is? If there is a market in Jogja, like Pringharjo, Sentul, etc., is that what is the market means? The market is the meeting place for buyers and sellers who make buying and selling transaction. Well, according to the Adam Smith stated that the invisible hand will direct selfish buyers and sellers in the market to maximize the total benefits that society can get from the market. However, market failure can still occur when the market fails to produce efficient results. Inefficient or market inefficiency, one of which occur due to externalities. An externalities is the uncompensated impact of one person's action on the welfare of another. Externalities cause the market to be inefficient, thus failing to maximize the total surplus. An externality will arise when a person is involved in an activity that affects the welfare of another party, but the other party doesn't pay for the positive impact it received or receive any compensation because of the negative impact on the activity. When the impact on the other party is adverse, the externality is called a negative externality. When the impact on the other party is favorable, the externality is called a positive externality. For example, of externalities is about the car exhaust that emits smoke so that it pollutes the air quality in the surrounding environment, so that it disturbs the comfort of those around it. And the other example, like loud noises in apartment buildings that disturb the comfort of the apartment residents. And the other example, like cigarette smoke pollutes the air around smokers so that it disturbs the comfort of those around them. The earlier we discussed about negative externalities and examples. This time we discuss an example of positive externality. In the first example is the existence of an immunization program that aims to maintain children immunity so that it will improve the health level of the surrounding community. And the other example, like renovated historic building will increase visits to building as a tourist attraction so that it can improve the welfare of the surrounding community. And the research on new technologies will create new innovation that encourage an increase in the quantity and quality of products so that they are profitable for society. The negative externalities cause the market to produce larger amounts than the socially desirable. And the positive externalities cause the market to produce smaller amounts that is socially desirable. And for example, related to the steel market, the quantity produced and consumed in the market equilibrium is efficient in the sense of maximizing the sum of producer and consumer surplus. If the steel will emits pollution or negative externality, then the cost of producing steel to society is greater than the cost incurred by steel producer. And for each unit of steel produced, the social costs include the producer's personal costs plus costs to other parties negatively affected by pollution. The intersection of the demand curve and the social cost curve determined the optimal level of output. The socially optimal level of output is less than the market equilibrium quantity. Okay, this is the brief discussion of externalities. Hope it is useful for you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.